Hello, my name is Min Song, and I'm a professor of English at Boston College, where I specialize in thinking about the relationship between race and literature, especially in the United States. I'm here at VIU this spring, 2016, where I'm teaching a course called Cities After 9/11. The purpose of this course is to get students to think about how we periodize the present. That is, how do we think about the moment at which we live? When I talk to my students in the US, many of them want to say that the present is most sharply defined by the terrorist attacks on New York and Washington, D.C. in 2001, September 11. And so we're going to begin with some readings that talk about that event and the significance of that event and the ways in which it has shaped a lot of what follows, especially in our experiences of the city. So we'll think about things like surveillance. We'll think about the role of the state. We'll think about the ways in which people come together after a terrible traumatic event, as well as try to make sense of it, of those kinds of events on their own. And we'll not only think about 9/11, but we'll also think about the impact of Hurricane Katrina on New Orleans, as well as the global impact of the financial crisis of 2008 as different ways of also thinking about the contemporary moment. And finally, I'm going to encourage students to think about their own experiences of the city of Venice, especially now as this course happens to be occurring just after the terrorist attacks in Paris. And the repercussions of that can be felt most immediately all across Europe, I think, in terms of just seeing more and more soldiers with guns. And so it's a question of how do we make sense of this moment that we're in, and how does literature help us to do that?